Think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in the SRT, but it feel like a Rari. And she calling my phone, I'm blowing up, she say I'm sorry. I think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in the...
Another day in the shop and another vlog. So did this yesterday, got the truck pretty much kind of leveled somewhat, and should be getting rid of the wheels here soon. Got a full yard, got a truck in the shop, and got some more coming tomorrow. So with JT's gonna be putting his rear blocks in because he was one of the first contestants to get a fucking squat ticket, so about to go ahead and knock that out. As you see, Skylar's still here and got to get some more work done with Reggie's whenever he gets some parts over here. So yeah, this is pretty much the whole yard, man. We got a lot of shit going on. Went ahead and got a little bit of body work done on Trippy and my car. So yeah, we just getting something done everywhere. But right now got a F-150 in here, got some drop shackles that I'm about to put in and get this thing a little bit more level. I think that's what he's looking for, but about to go ahead and knock this out and see how long it takes me. All right, so got the wheel off and well, both the wheels off, and went ahead and got one of the shackles put in. If you can see, got it put in. So about to go ahead and move over to the other side and knock this out, and it shouldn't take me much longer. All I gotta do is tighten up the shackles after this, put the wheels back on it, and then it'll be ready to go. We'll see what it looks like as soon as I get it done. So let's get it. All right, so got the drop shackles put in, got everything lowered, tightened, ready to go. So sitting a little bit lower in the rear. I'll get y'all a better look in the morning, but oh no, you can kind of tell the difference. These are just I believe 2-inch max track drop shackles, and got it done real quick and about to pull it outside and park it, get it ready to be delivered, and then I'll give y'all a better look in the morning, like I said, so that way I can kind of see it, and then that'll be it. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is just 2-inch max track drop shackles. Looks pretty good. I like the all black on this with the graps. Shit gas. All right, so we got the first contestant of the North Carolina squat ticket. So he got the ticket for the squat shit, and about to go ahead and put his blocks in. Had to cut these U-bolts off because they're loose and rusted and fucked up. So best way to handle these is just cutting these bitches off. And I just cut them off from the top, and they just fall right off. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. We already got the other side cut. If you can see, these are the U-bolts for the driver's side right here. And yeah, that's just trash. So cut those in half. About to put the new blocks and U-bolts in there. Got them right there. So should be pretty level and should look pretty straight. And it's a quick install, man. So should be getting some wheels for Big Red. Got the wheels sold yesterday, man, and it's over with. So gonna be stripping all the stickers off. Cataracts are sold, and yeah, that's pretty much it for Big Red, man. I'm about to put some stocks on it and get it ready for sale, and we'll be moving on to bigger and better things. But like I said, for now, we're gonna go ahead and get this done. Should have the wheels for Big Red coming up in a couple hours, and then yeah, we're just gonna be bouncing around with projects. The squat law has been really boosting my business this month because everybody's been either trying to put blocks in or they've been taking their lifts off. So I've been busy, man. That's why the videos haven't been coming out like that.
Baby.
Out here with Trippy,
You already know what the fuck going on, man.
taking everything off.
Getting them in and getting her done, baby.
We still QC, we getting rid of these damn boxes.
I know.
Getting tied up. Got JT legal now that he can get out of his ticket. Got backyard built storage facility right here. And then I'm gonna just call it Red now because the bitch ain't big or nothing. Motherfucker stock red. Put the little 20 RSTs on there. Some decent tires. Took all the stickers and shit off. So she ready to go. So come buy this bitch before I go and sell it. If you want it.
He turned into a goddamn drag truck.
Yeah. Hey, you see the stance on this motherfucker? This bitch got some poke. Well, yeah, we got a Jeep to do today, so I'm about to be working. So I guess we're gonna go run and get some tools and start there. So let's get it. So we got the Jeep in here. Trippy in here, the employee of the month.
Helping out the game, for future business and big opportunity.
Yeah. So this is a 2-wheel drive Jeep. It's got some pretty bad death wobble. I was driving that bitch about 35. That motherfucker felt like the wheels fell off. So we about to fix all that. We got a 4-inch rough country with a steering stabilizer in here. So hopefully all that shit will go bye-bye after we done with this. But it's a little 4-inch lift and gonna be taking care of it for him. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Got everything we needed. So nobody thought the damn backyard built did Jeeps, but look at this. Cowboy boots on, motherfuckers. Since y'all wanna keep talking shit about my goddamn Crocs. Got steel toes in this bitch.
This is the worst. The worst. You're not bothering me, bitch.
This shit here is fucking ridiculous.
If it went on camera, I'd kick holsters.
So we got the fucking alarm out after about 3 hours. You got that bitch? Where that bitch go?
Over there with all the rusty shit.
So Nick, this is what we had to do to this goddamn pitman arm. And we still couldn't get it out with cutting this motherfucker. I had to wedge a damn chisel in between the top of the pitman arm and fucking take a crowbar and hit that bitch. And right now it's what, goddamn? It is 11 o'clock and we just now getting this motherfucker off. All right, so camera cut off yesterday whenever I was recording, so didn't get a lot of shit, but got the rear lift pretty much done, and then got the front ready to go. Just got to put the steering stabilizer, some of the replacement parts, and the hubs and shit, the spacers, and then we'll be putting everything back together. But this was definitely a rust bucket. This bitch, yeah, this bitch been kicking our ass. All right, so we went to Harbor Freight, spent another $1 million to go and get more specialty tools to finish this damn shit up. Picking back up, and me and Trippy kind of got a lot of this done earlier. He just left. Lift kit's done, so all I gotta do is put the steering stabilizer on, and then that'll take me maybe 20 minutes, and then that's pretty much it, man. I'll be putting it back on the ground and seeing how she looks. But this is the rear, sitting pretty tall. I cleaned up the frame a little bit and put some black paint and bed liner on it just to cover it up and protect it a little bit from any rust, because it's gonna be shown a lot more now that this lift is on here. So all right, so got it all complete and everything's ready to go. Got everything compressed, about to put the wheels on. Got the wheel on this side, about to pull the jack stands and stuff from underneath it and then set it on the ground completely. I gotta weld a O2 bung inside of there, and that'll be pretty much it. And I'll be letting y'all see kind of the whole process of what I'll be doing. But as far as the lift kit, everything is complete and I am glad to have this shit done. All right, so it's all done. Got her on the ground and she's looking good. So all I gotta really do tomorrow is just straighten up the alignment just a little bit more. But other than that, she's looking good, and it's raining hard, so just trying to get all this shit done, man. That's all. All right, so here's the finished product. She's looking all good, sitting pretty tall. So this is a 4-inch rough country kit with the steering stabilizer. Look pretty good, man. Frame look clean. All you can see is really just the black and the silver from the rough country. So here's a look at that steering stabilizer there. All I gotta do now is just double back torque over all these other bolts and just do one last final inspection, and then we'll be pretty much done with it. So this is it, man. Backyard build over here, knocking out Jeeps and shit too. And Big Red is probably gonna be sold soon, sadly, or happily. I don't know, happily or sadly, it depends. But wait until y'all see what I get next after I get rid of this bitch. Y'all gonna be excited. But yeah. yeah, man, that's it for the Jeep. And I think I'm gonna close this out, and this will be the end of this video. But my bad for not giving y'all some content lately. I just wanted to make sure that I was giving y'all some pretty good content, because a lot of my shit is repeat, like putting leveling kits on and shit like that. I mean, I do like one of those videos every fucking week damn near. And you know, I had a lot of trucks and shit come in the meantime, but it was just little service shit like maintenance and stuff like that, so it wasn't really anything worth putting on the video. So yeah, man, but she looking good, and glad to have her knocked out and have all that old ass rusty shit off. Backyard built, back at it again. And I'm gonna keep the projects flowing, but I am gonna be doing some admin stuff over the next couple weeks, so the video is gonna be kind of sporadic. I don't know when I'm gonna drop, but they'll come out, don't worry. I still get shit done. But yeah, man, I'm gonna close this out. This will be the end of the video. Appreciate y'all watching. Go follow me on Instagram, my business account, and my personal. But for this video, that's it, bro. I'll check y'all out in the next one.